Welcome back. This time we're using light to discover how we get day and night and why the moon changes shape. Turn on the sun's light and find a dark spot in the room. Spin the crank slowly. Look at the Earth. Only one side is lit up. On that side of the Earth, it's daytime. And on the dark side, over there, it's nighttime. Now check out the moon. The light from the sun also lights up the moon, but it doesn't always look the same to us on Earth. Try moving the moon to different positions using the moon phase diagram in your booklet. When the moon is between the sun and the Earth, that's a new moon because the side facing Earth is dark. When the Earth is between the sun and the moon, that's a full moon. Can you move your model to make a crescent moon or a half moon? Wow, we learned a lot. Orbits, day and night, moon phases. You're becoming a real space scientist. But before you go, I want you to check out the additional experiments at the end of the instruction booklet. You'll find some neat ways to continue using your model and continue exploring. And remember, keep building, keep experimenting, and keep dreaming big. See you next time, Junior Engineer.